welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's theme tutorial because Valentine's Day is coming up in February. So I decided to make a Valentine's theme that looks something like this and to do a tutorial for it. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into Prequel and you want to import a video. Oops. Okay, so then you're going to go on to, or the first thing you're going to do is go on to adjust, put the exposure all the way down, put the contrast and highlights and shadows all the way down. Then put the sharpen to 25 and put blur to 100. Then you will click on this little effects button and then click disco. It's the first effect, and put the filter to 1. It gives like a little bit of tint, not that much, and then you're going to save this to your camera roll. Okay, so you're going to stay in the app Prequel and you're going to import the video again, then go on to effects again and click go into Okay, so I finally found the filter and it's called Indigo. And to get this filter, you need to follow Prequel on Instagram to unlock it. So you can go ahead and do that. And you are going to put this filter on to, let's say 15. Okay, and then you're going to save this video to your camera roll. Now you are going to go onto the app Font and you are going to import the video onto, like, whatever. And the font you are going to use is garlic salt. And you're going to use one of these rectangles. And you are going to size it down. And then you are going to go on this pink. And you can just, like, make it lighter. And then you're going to go on to stroke white and make a white stroke. Okay, there we go. Then you can put whatever you want. So I'll just put Valentines. And the font for Valentines is, and we are going to make this red. Okay. And hold up, let me move this down a little. And then you're going to write the word theme with the font Snowbreak. And you're going to put these little lines beside it. And you're going to make this white. Okay, then you're going to use the font. It's called, and you're going to use one of these. And you're going to make the size bigger. And then you're going to go into the font Pretty You. If I can find it. Here it is. You can use any font that has hearts in it, but I just like this one. And you're going to make the size smaller. And you are going to do that little light, not here. And you're going to do the little light pink again. Let's just move it. Okay, then you are going to write, or you're going to use the font Garlic Salt to make a line like this and just adjust the spacing. Oh, we need to make it white. Okay. So you're going to make it white and then you can write whatever your question is. My question, it's not really a question, I guess. So the font for the question, I guess, is Letters for Learners. I almost forgot. So you could just ask a random question. That just sounds weird. Do you like this theme or no? Okay, it's fine. And you're gonna put a line under it as well. Then you are going to use this font. It's called Love. And you're gonna press the letter O. And, just make little hearts. And you are just going to play this. This is gonna work like, I guess, I don't know what's it called, like the little bullet points, I guess they're called. And the font you're going to use is Letters for Learners, and you can write your like options or whatever. Okay, then you're just going to put it here, and you're going to have to adjust the spacing a bit so it fits directly with the little hearts. Then you can move these down, and then you're going to so then you have your little options, and then you can write your username. And you can use any font for your username, and then you just put it wherever you want to put it. Okay, then you're going to save this video to your camera roll, and then you're going to go into the app Color Tone and import the video and use the filter Avalon on top of it, but make it like, turn the opacity down so you could see pink. There we go, and then you can save this to your camera roll. And that's it. That's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!